Hi everyone, it's Adriana here again today, and today I am showcasing my art journal page that I've used with the Couture Creations You Go Girl collection of stamps and dies. So please join me today, sit back and relax, and I'll show you how I created my art journal page using these wonderful products from Couture Creations. So first of all, with my art journal page, I like this journal page that you can actually take out the page and work on it. This size is just a little bit slightly smaller than an A4 page, and I'm using some vintage paper and I'm gluing that with my quick adhesive drying glue all over the page, bits and pieces, to create a surface that will be translucent and also protecting the paper, because on top of the paper, once I've applied the gesso and I completely dried it, I'm actually going to use some glitter alcohol inks from Couture Creations. They're the brand new colors, and once I've done my page, this is why I've protected this page with the gesso on top of my paper. So I'm using Couture Creations glitter accents. These are some of the new colors. It's sunflower, apple and turquoise glitter accent alcohol inks, and I really love these new colors. They really are my beautiful colors. I really love the turquoise. When I splash this on the page, you'll see it's beautiful, and with these color combinations of the yellow sunflower and also the apple, it just really sets it off beautifully. Today I'm going to mix it all up using my felt applicator tool. Now this is the heart-shaped felt applicator tool, and I'm just dabbing it around the page. I've actually put a bit of color and also some alcohol blending solution on top of the felt applicator piece, and just dabbing it all over with the color. Once I've settled that and had a nice look at that, I'm going to actually now apply some color of the turquoise, and using my air blower from Couture Creations, I'm just splashing that around and creating a little bit of texture and color to the page. Once that's completely dry, now I'm going to use the Couture Creations You Go Girl feathered stamp set. This is a collection of 4 beautiful feathers, and I'm using the embossing ink pad from Couture Creations and using the Mirror Gold Couture Creations embossing powder. It's a classic metallic gold and it really shines beautifully once I use my heat gun on it. Remember to always keep some of that embossing powder, because you can reuse that over and over again. So with my heat tool, I'm just making sure I'm heating all that embossing powder so it all sets. Be careful not to smudge it, because it's still hot and it's still wet when you've actually heat embossed it first. So I'm doing the whole page with different elements of that stamp set. Once that's all dry and completely set, I'm going to use some of the color of the alcohol inks and color in some of the spaces in between those feathers with some of the beautiful glitter accent alcohol inks with my brush. So I'm just going through and adding a bit of color. I've used the turquoise and also a couple of other different colors. I'll have a list of all the products in the description down below this video of every single product that I've used to make my page. I really love the glitter accent alcohol inks. It really shines and glitter on my page, really shines up as you move it around. I've also die cutted some of the Flutter butterflies from the same collection, from the New Girl collection. I've added some word sentiments there, and I'm now going to glue these butterflies, and I've also coloured them in as well with a bit of alcohol inks on top. Around the page I've used the Stayz In Place black little mini jet ink pad just to give it a bit of depth around the edges, and you can see my finished product, my finished page in here directly. Using the quick dry adhesive glue, this is a fantastic glue. It clears up, it dries up clear, so if you do get any excess, it just dries up beautifully. It's just really great for doing all these intricate pieces and also just gluing anything. It's just a fantastic glue. So here's my page. As you can see, I've coloured in the butterflies with a bit of fuchsia glitter alcohol ink with a brush, and I've just added dimension around the edges with a bit of black ink, and also some script ink pad stamped all over the page. So thanks for joining me today. I hope I've inspired you to create with Couture Creations embossing powder and also beautiful stamps from the You Go collection. There is more information and more product features and inspiration on couturecreations.com.au. Thanks for watching me today, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.